All right, man. So today's been crazy. Jerome Powell lowered the rates by a quarter of a percent. I was listening to something the other day that kind of locked down my thought processes, which is what I share with you guys quite a bit. Larry Fink was in the FII Institute. It was an international forum that Larry Fink was there from BlackRock. Steve Schwarzman was there from Blackstone. Um, Bill Ackman was there from Pershing Square. And then also with Jamie Dimon from JP Morgan was there, right? The bank. So the bank, it is the bank. So the bigger thing that stood out to me was Jamie when they asked, I'm sorry, Larry Fink about what he thought about how things are going. Like, how do you fix this? And he was like, if more people actually move their money out of money market accounts and savings, things like that, and move them into real assets, things would actually be better for them, better for the economy, because real assets have always been the way to go. So, like when you take a look at what's going on, like right now, I think they're talking about higher for longer mortgage rates. That's a question. People are concerned about that. Why? Because real estate always moves the market. Now, we look at institutional, commercial, multifamily real estate for our investors, right? For Bell Capital. That is our goal. So if you aren't able to move your money out of a mutual fund, the Vanguard, Fidelity, Schwab, Merrill Lynch, and you move that money self-directed into multifamily real estate, let's say you're not able to do that, you are going to have the ebb and flows from your future wealth and retirement long term tied to God knows what. Lockheed Martin, they're going to, whatever fund they sell as a financial product, they're going to put your money into it because they're your custodian. You gave them the right to invest your money. You cannot trust somebody else with your money more than you trust yourself. If your money's sitting in a savings account, or a bank account or Fidelity or Vanguard or whatever, I mean, you have to trust them more than you trust yourself, right? You should be able to make the decision of where your money goes, which is what Larry Fink is saying. So, and I've been saying it forever. Like, look, you as a entrepreneur, a business owner, a person, middle class, millionaire, whatever, like you should be able to say, look, I trust my own decisions outside of Wells Fargo sitting and holding my money forever. I'd rather invest with, let's say, Bell Capital, and they're going to invest in multifamily real estate in San Diego. That is my decision to do. You don't get to hold my money forever and penalize me later. Right? So that stood out to me, and I wanted to bring that with you guys. With all the shit going on in the world, government shutdown, that's a problem, which they can end that anytime. They are saying it's about healthcare, it's about this, but the fact remains is this: it's not paying people. There was a report that came out today with the Kobayashi letter. Can't remember the name of it, but that letter was basically going over all the companies that are laying off people right now. I think there's over 100,000 people that are companies that are laying off 100. I mean, there's companies laying over 100,000 people off. That matters. So you have government shutdown, you have layoffs, so unemployment that's going to be going up. You have interest rates that are now going to be lowering, so more money is going to be dumped into the world. That means cost of goods are going to continue to go up, and the more they do that, the harder it is for you to be able to get into the right assets as a consumer. So don't be a consumer. What do you need to do? Work, earn your money, and then pay less money in taxes by investing in a tax-friendly environment, which is real estate. Keep saying that. But I wanted to do this. I wanted to share this with you guys. Not a long video today because I got to get after something. But take your hard-earned money and convert it into a real asset. Multifamily real estate. You can do it with us. Go to bell-capital.com. You can find out how we do what we do. Ask any questions that you have. We'll definitely take care of you. Look, this is happening. Oh, it's commercial now. But this is always happening. The ups and downs and ebb and flows of your money, you don't want to have that in your investments. You don't. You want to go to work, or you want to run your business, run your family, and you want to invest, and you want to get money back, and you want the tax benefits, future appreciation. You want all the shit that goes along with winning, right? The other stuff that we see online, that's not winning. That's winning for the institutions in Wall Street. It's not winning for the everyday American like us. All right. So I want to help you. I do. Go to bell-capital.com. You can invest with us. You can file, you can schedule a call with us, file. You can schedule a call with us, somebody on my team, or you can see what we already have. We have an open fund already ready to go, which is where file came. We already filed with the SEC. We're already filed with the state. We're already up and running. We're here to help you, but we can't help you if you continue to ride the fence. I don't make videos just for educational purposes. My purpose in life is to help you, yes, but I haven't helped you just by letting you watch videos and you get smarter but dumber and poorer. It's not what I got. That's not what I want for my people, my family, my friends, people who support me, people who watch me. So I'm here for you. Let me know if you need anything. Go to bell-capital.com. In the meantime, like this video, share the video, comment on the video, leave me a thumbs up or give me a thumbs down. Don't be a hater and a hider at the same time. But either way, I'm here for you and I'll continue to do this for you. Oh, and by the way, we finally hit 400,000 views. Thanks to you guys for constantly being here for me, watching, giving me support. I appreciate you. I won't let you down. Let me know how I can help with everything. Let's get after it, guys. Boom.